Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today we're taking a closer look at the newly facelifted Peugeot 2008. This popular small SUV has been turning heads since 2019, and now it's back with some fresh updates for 2024. But the question is, do these changes make a good car even better? Let's find out! First things first, let's talk looks. Peugeot has given the 2008 a bold new face, and I've got to say, it's looking sharp. The new grille sports a cool lateral pattern, and Peugeot's updated shield logo, those signature 3-claw LED lights, they're still here, but now they're nestled in sleek gloss black inserts. Around back, we've got tweaked taillights and some snazzy new alloy wheel designs. It's a subtle refresh, but it definitely keeps the look fresh. One big upgrade for 2024 is the new 10-inch touchscreen. It looks great, angled towards the driver, but I did notice it can be a bit laggy at times. On the plus side, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard across the range. Nice one, Peugeot! Under the hood, our test car packed the mid-range 1.2-liter turbo 3-cylinder, good for 128 horsepower. It's a peppy little engine that suits it well, with enough power for both city runs and highway cruising. The 6-speed manual gearbox isn't the most engaging, but it's smooth and easy to use. On the road, the 2008 is more about comfort than sportiness. The ride is generally smooth, though it can get a bit jittery on rough roads at lower speeds. Handling is competent, but if you're after hot hatch thrills in SUV form, you might want to check out the Ford Puma instead. That said, light steering and good visibility make the 2008 a champ in urban environments. Step inside, and you'll find the cabin is still a class act. The materials feel premium, putting some rivals to shame. Now I've got to mention the i-Cockpit layout. It's still here, with that tiny steering wheel and high-mounted digital cluster. It's a love-it-or-hate-it thing, so make sure you try before you buy. Peugeot has simplified the range to 3 trims: Active, Allure, and GT. We tested the mid-range Allure, which hits a sweet spot for features and value. You get goodies like a 10-inch digital instrument cluster, parking sensors front and rear, and 17-inch alloys. So, what's the verdict? While the updates to the 2008 aren't revolutionary, they do enough to keep it competitive in a crowded segment. The refreshed styling enhances its already distinctive looks, and the refined powertrain and comfy ride make it a great daily driver. Pricing starts at £24,170 for the base active trim, with our recommended Allure kicking off at £27,370. It might not be the most spacious or exciting car in its class, but the 2008's blend of style, quality, and comfort make it a solid choice if you're shopping for a small SUV. That wraps up our look at the 2024 Peugeot 2008. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.